My biggest takeaway from the Acceler8 Academy program was that it is possible. So I had such a cathartic experience being involved in this academy with the amount of learning that I came away with. So beforehand, before I started, I felt very much confused and lost. And when I enrolled in the Acceler8 Academy program, I realised that it really is possible and that there is education there and there's people that do care and understand that it is a specialised area, and they help you train and understand and consume the training. And that made a big difference for me, that belief that I can do this. I cannot begin to tell you how much my financial literacy has increased since enrolling in the Academy program. I always understood there were balance sheets and profit and loss sheets, but I never really knew the nitty-gritty and how it impacted not only the day-to-day activities in your business, but the overall growth and just how important that is to your business. So understanding that financial literacy has helped me make so many decisions and choices now, which a year later have had such significant impacts on my business. One of the areas was a module called The Power of One, where we looked at either increasing enrolments in my academy or looking at our pricing plan. And we addressed both. And the benefits that I'm enjoying today as a result of that one simple module is priceless. What was my personal proudest achievement of the past 12 months was that I didn't fold my company. I was faced with so many challenges before I enrolled in the Academy program, and I was offered a really attractive employee package at an educational institution. And I was faced with the choice, do I fold my business after 30 years of working it and take this attractive employee package, or do I knuckle under and really give this one last hurrah? And I'm so pleased that I went with the latter, that I knuckled into my business and really looked at it. And now I'm exceeding that what was previously an attractive package at the employee position. So my proudest single moment was that I stuck with my business, I honoured it, and I've turned it around. I'm very proud of that.